How can you take cinematic photos with your Android phone? Let's get started and let me explain how it works. If this is your first time in here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one. So it depends on the hardware and the actual phone, of course, but using this device right here, you can open up the camera application like this, and you can see that I have a few modes. In my case, I have the photo, video, and a portrait. And the portrait mode is the thing which you are probably referring to. It is the cinematic photo where the background is kind of blurry and we are focusing on the subject, right? So this is likely the thing which you have in mind. And if you do this properly, then you should end up with a nice picture. So it also gives you like a little bit of a guidance that it shows you exactly how you're supposed to position your camera and if you should be moved a little bit closer or further away. So that's something which you can play with and you should end up with a nice result. So that's the thing which you need to find. Of course, in my case, I can as well go to the more section and choose from the other options. So I have, for example, the professional camera mode, which I can click on, right? And you can see that it basically does give me the regular controls plus more. So not only can I see in here the shutter button and the viewfinder, but I can also see and manage the shutter speed and the ISO. I can manage the manual or automatic focus, switch between the camera lenses much more effectively. So it really depends on the way I want to take my photos, or if I want to just rely on the cinematic professional mode using the portrait, or if I just want to control everything on my own. But I don't even have to have any like third-party app inside of my Samsung camera application. Most of the features are already available. So let me know if that's the thing that you are looking for. I really hope that I was able to quickly guide you through it. If you have some thoughts which you want to share, just leave them below. But for now, that's it, and I'll catch you later.